What is up, my people? How y'all doing? This week, I learned quite a few things, and I'm gonna share that with you. Are you ready? Last week, I managed to complete 21 days straight of working out every morning. You know, it's all about the routines. All about the routines. So,
I don't want to wish. I'm committed. Discipline. So let's go get it, man. Let's go get it.
Good morning, my beautiful people. It is Wednesday morning, 6:30 a.m.
Just kidding. Day 11. Boy, it's so hard. But you gotta push through. Let's go get it.
You gotta get to the point where you don't need a car anymore. You don't need a house anymore. You don't need to be pushed by anybody anymore. The need to get better is going to push you because you're closer than you're ever going to be.
Day 20. 6:21. Actually, we're a little late, so let's get going. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come this far to day 21. Oh man. Let's get after it.
you know the saying that goes 21 days to build a habit, 90 days to make it a lifestyle? I believe the first 5 days were like, okay, normal, straightforward. Day 7, I was like, nah, now. It was easier to quit than to continue. But it's all in the mind, my friend. Let me explain. Your thoughts will lead you to take action. Your actions will lead you to make it a habit. Your habits build your character, and your character takes you to your destination. Yeah, just wanted to be healthy and very like. So the lesson for today is guard your mind. Your mind is a garden. You familiar with gardening? Let me give you a quick brief. It just takes 3 things. You need soil filled with nutrients, like good soil, and your mind is the perfect soil. You need seeds, your thoughts, and you need water. We've established already that your mind is the perfect soil. Okay? Yeah. Okay, we're good. Feed your mind with what you see, what you hear, what you say, believe it or not, what you smell, and what you touch. Unless there's any other senses that I'm aware of, comment below. Those actually, plant seeds in your head, in your mind, okay? And then it's up to you, basically, with the action you'll be taking on those thoughts that will determine which seed is gonna grow. Got me there? Okay. If you water one seed or a plant, once in a blue moon, that plant's not gonna grow. If you water that plant consistently over time, that plant is gonna grow and flourish and all that stuff. You gotta take care of it. So for the last 21 days, what I've been doing is basically taking care of that plant, of that working out every morning plant. And that's what I was taking care of. So I had that thought every single day, and I was taking action on that thought, by just going to the gym and doing it. So I got to the point where my character was a person that works out. You want to define character? Let's ask Siri. Define character.
This is the definition of character. The mental and moral qualities distinctive to an individual.
The mental and moral qualities distinctive to an individual. Why am I saying all this? The reason why I'm bringing this up is because it's really a blueprint to anything you want in life, okay? Again, what do you feed your mind? What are your thoughts? Consider those very, very carefully. So that's basically it. So if you agree with me, feel free to comment down below. But that's really what I wanted to share with you this week. That your thoughts ultimately lead you to your final destination, because your thoughts lead you to take action. Your actions build your habits, and your habits build your character, and your character takes you to your final destination. That's pretty much it, guys. I shall catch you in the next one.